Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a journal that I've made. This journal is just kind of random. It's got some Tsunami Rose and some Artimaze, and it measures 7 3/4 by 5 1/4. It has one signature and it has 72 pages front and back. It's held closed with some organza ribbon, and that is the back. It's a soft cover, if I haven't already said that. I have tried to do this video twice already and got interrupted. Nobody bothers with me all day until I hit record on this phone, and then everybody wants to know me. Got a pocket there with a tag, some bits of layering going on here with some cheesecloth. The image here is from Artimaze. Some bling here. We've got a fabric ruffle, some cheesecloth, and I found this bit of, I don't know if it was a button and I cut the shank off or not, I can't remember, but it's just a nice little centerpiece there. So let's go inside. We have pockets here with ephemera, tags and little journaling cards. Like I said, this is not Artimaze, Tsunami Rose. We have a corner flip, the Rita Donnelly corner flip, ephemera, tag, little double journaling card, I guess check, some dictionary paper. This is from Dreams Etc, and that is just paper clipped onto some inventory paper. Here we just have some more ephemera. And that goes on just like that. Some squared paper, fabric tab, some more Tsunami Rose paper. Here we've got a tag and a journaling card, and this is a flip out Terry Wood style. And I've used some of Daisy Collins' die cuts that she'd sent me in the week, so I think I've used a few of them in here. Got a doily, paper bag, put the paper bag in around the other way. I normally do it so that that is on like the second half of the signature, but it doesn't really matter, it's the same thing. Edge punching, crochet to trim, Tsunami Rose. I need to take a drink, hang on a sec. Sorry about that, it's really dry. Tag. This was a brown envelope and I just made a pocket out of it. I've put some like a mesh ribbony type thing and some crochet to trim, some bling, another Daisy Collins die cut. You can get them on her shop, they're already pre-cut for you, and they're like mystery packs, so I think you just kind of get, you know, no two packs are the same if I'm right, but there's hundreds of bits in these mystery boxes. So we've got some journaling paper here, some Edith Holden, we have some ephemera here, music paper, made a journaling card, some more journaling cards there, some lined paper, centre of the signature, fabric tab, music paper which is folded over. We've got some ephemera here, oh, and this piece there, and that's just paper clipped on there. The Edith Holden book, notebook paper. Here we have a little die cut again from Tsunami Rose, some cheesecloth and a doily and a double pocket, and we have some ephemera here and a tag. So let me see how that went. I think that went in there like so. Some more digital paper, have a flip there, and I used another Daisy's what do you call it, die cut, and there's a doily and some cheesecloth underneath there. In here there is some ephemera, Another flip out here with the journaling card and a large tag. And some more ephemera that's just paper clipped on there. Dictionary page, a guess check. We have a corner flip and some ephemera journaling cards. That's a double one. And that all pops in there. And the back cover has just got a journaling card, a tag, and a little journaling card there. So that is that one. You see that again, it's still a chunky one for a single signature. This will be listed in my shop if you're interested. The link will be below. And if you have any questions, just ask. And thank you for watching. Bye.